Okay, welcome to a longer video for this Samsung MV800. This is an ultra compact camera, and I mean it is really small and really quite cute. It does lots of nice things, including a selfie pop-up screen, video. It has a 5x optical zoom, and then you've got the digital bit on top, and it's got a Schneider type lens, manufactured lens, which comes on some of the Samsung higher end cameras, and popular little camera this. So it comes with a soft carry case, which has actually seen a bit better days, but it is marked Samsung and it will do the job very well. The USB data cable and also the charging cable, so you just plug this into a 5-volt power supply, 5-volt brick or your computer or whatever, and it'll charge up the camera. Sorry, that's just distracting me. This camera takes a micro SD card, and if you keep taking the SD card in and out of the camera, you will lose it because it will ping off somewhere, and then you have to slot it into one of these adapters. Now, it doesn't come with a micro SD card, so you want to pick up yourself something like a 4 or 8 gigabyte card will be ample, and with an adapter if you do want to plug it, take it out and plug it into your computer. But I'd highly advise using the USB data transfer cable. It also means you don't go out and leave the SD card in the computer and find you've got no storage, so much better method. So wrist strap, little 3-legged tripod, which is dead handy. It's auto shut off, and as you can see the lens covers come on, but when you do some video work you can hold it at arm's length without having to sort of articulate your wrist round, so it's a nice and easy thing to use, this little tripod. And if you're doing selfie work as well, and you can hold it up in the air, pop the screen back down to where it is, pop the screen up like that, so you can look down and shoot from the hip. So it's very clever like that, and the little tripod makes a nice accessory. These two little bits are really for phone use with the tripod, because it's intended for phone use, and you can always use them with your phone, and that's a Bluetooth fob. But as I say, don't work with the camera, just thrown in as little accessories. So when you turn the camera on, I think you can set it so when you flip the screen up it automatically comes on. So the lens is in really good order, that's exactly as it should be. Then you've got the zoom feature, nice and quiet, which would be probably pretty good for video use as well. Built-in flash, a satinized brush effect on the actual camera itself, nice and thin, 16.1 megapixels. Let's just bring that back as wide as it will go, and you can set it into auto mode, etc. So we go smart auto, touchscreen obviously, and then it says memory full at the moment, but that's off. Turn it back on again, you can see how fast it reacts to turning it on and off, which is good. Little battery indicator, and obviously all the menu features are all there. Movie, let's pop it into movie a moment. I think it's 720 30 frames per second, this camera, autofocus, etc. So it's a delight to use, and with a little soft carry case and that tripod, just grab yourself an SD card, a micro SD card for this one. You probably might have one for some other use kicking around, and plug it in and away you go. Thanks for watching, bye bye.